Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a mobile home downflow air conditioning system split today. So behind me, or outside I should say, we have the condenser, which is that round thing right here. It's got the fan motor there, new condenser pad. We're doing a vacuum. It's removing all the non-condensables and humidity in the system. That's that little machine you're hearing. And inside, this is the evaporator coil, and down here is the electric furnace. He's wiring it up right now. But we added a TXV, a thermostat expansion valve, which is this part right here. And what that does, that regulates the freon. That way it just doesn't pour in like it should, like it does sometimes. But the air flows down, goes out to the bottom, and then you can see some of the vents here in the house. But they're also getting a new thermostat, new evaporator coil, new electric furnace. Their AC hadn't been working in about 2-3 weeks now. A new condenser, American Standard. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. We're 24/7. We do mobile home systems, commercial, residential, downflow, upflow, horizontal, walk-in coolers, freezers, ice machines. So again, call us. We have some good deals right now, end of year specials that we're doing. So call us 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcacandheating.com. ABC Austin, AC and Heating.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.